Hi, I'm Kai, and today we want to have a look how we can change our normal terminals, let's say a single level terminal, into a multi-level terminal, for instance in a double level terminal. For sure, you can do everything manually in EPLAN, but I'll try to show you a little bit more smart way, so stay tuned. So I have placed here a few terminals, and on the left side I have opened the terminal stripe navigator. If you don't know where it is, you can go to devices and here to the terminal stripe navigator. And all of these terminals have the same settings at the moment. So when we right click, go to properties, we haven't assigned any part, and each terminal is a main terminal, is on level 0, and we don't have a connection point designation. Let's say we have started with the project and have not decided which terminals we want to use. So it's empty. Now we make a right click, go to properties and go to parts and start the device selection. For sure, you have to download maybe from the EPLAN data portal a few parts which fits to your terminals or what are your preferred suppliers. And then you can select it from here. I will use the Weidmuller S2C 2.5 terminal and click OK. I click apply and OK. And now you can see that the terminals got the part number and is still the main terminal, and we have the connection point designation. So in the next step, we go to our panel arrangement, and I have here the 3D mounting navigator, and I will place the X2 terminal stripe in one go. Just to see that it's too large for my DIN rail. I have not enough space, so I press Ctrl Z, undo the placement, and now we want to change it to a double level terminal. So therefore we go again to our page here and have a look what we need to do. So first of all, what you always should take into account is the sorting. So make sure that your terminals are in the right sequence. And then we mark all these terminals here, right click, go to properties, and I will change the part. First of all, I delete it. I also can delete now the connection point designation. Click apply and OK. And now we go to the edit functionality. So we make a right click on our terminal and go to edit. And here you can now see your terminals. They are already marked because we have marked them in the navigator. And here on top, you find a few buttons. So with this button, we can generate multi-level terminals. We click on this button and we can here tell EPLAN how many levels our terminal should have. So I want to have a 2-level terminal, so I click OK. And now EPLAN creates out of always 2 single terminals, 1 double terminal. I click apply and OK. And what we can see now in our navigator is that we get already the levels in our single terminals. And only the first one is the main terminal. So here the main terminal is selected and it's level 2. The other one is not a main terminal and it's level 1. And now we set here the filter to our main terminals because these are the terminals where the parts will be assigned. Mark them and right click properties. And now we go to parts and start the device selection again. And for instance, I can use now this one. This is a double level terminal. Click apply and OK. And now you can already see in our drawings that EPLAN adds also automatically the connection point designation. And when we go now to our panel arrangement and place X2 again, we see that it fits now. So basically this is a workaround how you can change your single terminal to a double level terminal. If you have other ideas, please drop a comment. If you like this video, please drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications, and I hope to see you in the next video.